Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your display can change color profiles and that cables and drivers are up to date. Once done, open Settings, then Display or System Preferences, and go straight to the Color or Night Light section. Make sure to locate the current profile name so you can revert if needed. If you have a colorimeter, connect it now, otherwise prepare to use software controls. This first step puts you in the right menu and preserves a safe baseline to avoid accidental color shifts. You now perform the core adjustments. Begin with brightness and contrast so the image range is correct, then tweak color temperature in Kelvin and gamma settings. Once you change sliders, apply a built-in profile or import an ICC file and compare using neutral gray and skin tone images so you see natural shifts. If you have a colorimeter, run the automated calibration and let the device measure and create a profile. Make small changes and save each iteration with a clear name so you can compare results later. You finish by setting the selected profile as default and restarting key apps to ensure consistency. Then test across multiple content types, videos, photos, and web pages, and under different ambient lighting so you confirm the result in real use. If colors look off, update your GPU drivers, reset to the original profile, and recalibrate. If problems persist, try a different ICC profile or rerun the colorimeter routine. One troubleshooting tip: if saturation or hue shifts remain, check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.